Call him so he looks at you.
Curry, Curry,
Americans vote, our
oh Curry,
democracy
Curry,
is more
Curry,
strong. And so
Curry,
the role of the corporations,
Curry,
and as Ken Chenault
Curry,
and Ken Frazier have advanced,
Curry,
is to
answer me.
ensure that everyone votes, to ensure that the power of corporations is felt on this important democratic issue.
Well, Darren, Senator Lindsey Graham of South Carolina has something to say to you CEOs.
Hey, Gary.
Listen.
Look it.
Number one, these CEOs are full of crap. They're running scared. Georgia is trying to make
and then
sure
the
that
bunny
everybody
ears
can
fell.
vote legally. If HR 1 passes corporate America, you're screwed beyond belief. There'll be no limit to what Democrats can do to your tax rates and to your regulation structure. So if you really care about the future of your business and your shareholders,
What's he looking at?
HR 1, the biggest power grab in the history of the United States. So, Darren, again, the congressman says if HR 1 passes, corporate America will be screwed beyond belief. Says HR 1 is the biggest power grab in the history of the United States. HR 1 being the
And it fell off again.
which would make
I don't understand what I like to
easier
keep on happening.
in this country across the nation. Your reaction to that characterization?
Kermit, what are you doing? He's trying to take it off.
I had enough of that. Those bunny ears. I am not a bunny. Why you keep putting bunny ears on me? I am not a bunny.
And Dell Computers,
Let me do it one more
like
time.
Chuck Robbins at Cisco, and so many
Put it on one
others
more
who have
time. I didn't get a
stepped
picture of
forward,
him.
know that they have a
Oh, yes, I did.
as leaders in this
Curry,
country,
Curry,
leaders
Curry,
in
hold on.
this generation which
I need
have
a picture of Raven in the
influence
pink
to
one.
speak out and speak up.
In the
This
pink?
is not a
Yeah,
partisan
with the
issue.
pink ears.
This is an issue
I
that
got
really
Kirby in the
is
pink
a
and the blue.
non-issue.
Kirby, you better stay right there.
Seek to suppress the vote of others.
You don't want it.
Curry, stop.
Of patriotism.
So I had enough.
Of cowardice. Because the election,
Oh,
it appears
Alright,
that
outside his
it's
nose.
necessary to change the rules. You can't change the rules in a democracy.
Check
The
it out.
process works. The process
Curry in the
works.
pink
Some
ears.
may not like the outcome, but the process.
That's actually
and that
cute.
issue was
He has the big
adjudicated all
nose.
the way to the Supreme Court.
Raven.
So the issue of fraud,
Raven.
of any malfeasance
Hold on.
was handled in the
Hold on.
courts.
Raven.
Handled by the
Raven.
Attorney General of the
Raven.
prior administration.
Raven, stop. Stop, Raven.
We're going to leave it
Raven.
there. Darren Walker, president of the Ford Foundation. Happy
Good girl.
Easter, and thank you very much for coming back to the Sunday Show.
Thank you, Jonathan.
And
How
joining
about
me
any
now
years
to
after
discuss,
Kirby?
Andrea Young, executive director of the ACLU Georgia, and Michael Waldman, president of the Brennan Center for Justice and author of The Fight to Vote. Thank you both very much for being here. Andrea, let me start with you.
Good
and
girl.
talk about what's happening with the Georgia
He
law.
took it off.
If memory serves, you and a whole bunch of
She
other
is
folks are
savage.
suing to stop this law. How successful do you think you'll be?
Good morning, Jonathan. Happy Easter. It's great to be with you, and I'm here with you on Easter Sunday because, as
Is it
our
funny?
Senator Warnock said, vote is a prayer. It's a prayer for